Well, everybody, got our 60 loaded, going to a new home. (1927) Caterpillar 60. Well, here she comes on her new journey home. Coming down the Capel Valley. And here we are coming out of the valley. Well, we made her home here to Spy Hill, Saskatchewan. We'll get back at you here when we unload it and do a little walk around, I think, tell you all about it. Well, it's unloaded and in the yard. Sorry I didn't get you no video unloading it. I had to run the excavator, and I don't have my GoPro with me, so I couldn't hold my phone and run the excavator, but I'll give you a little walk around here. So yeah, it is 1927 Caterpillar 60. We identified that because the serial number right here on a Cat 60 is stamped in case there's no tags on it. This is a PA 1862, which according to the book is a 1927. So it's pretty complete for the most part. It's got a mag on it. The biggest issue it has is, let's see if I can get underneath here. The oil pan has a little bit of a crack, so we'll have to get that flanged up or find a different one for it. But aside from that, pretty well everything's here. Clutch, fuel tank. It is going to need a new fuel line, but it's going to need a lot of new things or refurbished things. But I don't know, we're excited to have a 60, so whatever. The left-hand track, it is froze. That's why we needed the excavator to get it off the trailer to drag it. You can see from the marks there, but It was starting to turn a little bit, so we're hopeful that if we just keep dragging it around, it'll break free for us. But as far as carburetors on it, it is going to need a heat box. It's tough to see that crack with dark there, but the heat box does have a crack on it, which is kind of normal. But the rest of the manifolds look pretty well intact. That's not stuck. Nice. Yeah. Need a seat and a canopy, but like I say, we're pretty excited to have this. It was close to home and kind of under our nose for a while. It did get new chains at one point, or new rails at one point, though. I think Grandpa was making note that it's got the like the strutted rails, and the earlier ones probably were strutless. So yeah. Anyway, that's our 60.